ഉണ്ണുണ്ണിച്ചായനെല്ലാം അറിഞ്ഞുവല്ലേ?
എല്ലാം അറിയാം, പക്ഷെ എനിക്ക് അതിന് തെളിവുകളില്ല. ഇന്നിപ്പോ എനിക്കത് കിട്ടി. എ ക്ലിയർ എവിഡൻസ്. ഞാൻ സംശയിച്ചതെല്ലാം ശരിയാണ്.
തളത്തിൽ ദിനേശനും കണ്ണൻ പെരുമലയനും ഉണ്ണുണ്ണിച്ചായനുമൊക്കെ നമ്മുടെ ജീവിതത്തിലും നമുക്ക് കാണാൻ പറ്റുന്ന കഥാപാത്രങ്ങളാണ്. വെറും സിനിമാ കഥാപാത്രങ്ങൾ മാത്രമല്ല, അത് നമ്മുടെ ജീവിത പരിസരങ്ങളിൽ ഏറിയും കുറഞ്ഞും ആളുകൾക്ക് അനുഭവപ്പെടുന്ന സംശയരോഗങ്ങളാണ് സിനിമയിൽ പ്രതിനിധീകരിച്ചിരിക്കുന്നത്. Maddies, in this video I would like to speak about delusional disorder. Delusion is a kind of fixed false belief. It is against the reality. A person who has this problem will definitely misinterpret and will try to believe that he or she is having certain problems and will be followed by others and will have suspicion against partners and all. So delusion is all about false belief. It's a fixed false belief. It's against the reality. So today we would like to speak about several types of delusional disorder. First type is erotomanic. Erotomanic means a person who has this problem may have the false belief that a celebrity loves him or her. Famous person or celebrity has intense love towards a person. So erotomanic. It's a false belief that a celebrity loves you. So when you have that false belief, you may try to contact the person through social media or try to stalk him or her, try to visit her, and you have that misconception that you are loved by that famous figure, celebrity. Second type is grandiose. Grandiose means you feel that you are a superpower, you are related to God, you are similar to godliness, you have magical power, and you have the connection with the famous figures, especially with the God, and you believe that you are receiving some revelations from God. So this is about grandiose. You have that inflated feeling about yourself and about godly things, and you believe that you have got magical powers and all. It's all about inflated feeling about yourself, considering yourself as a great. It's a type of megalomania, means believe that you are supreme. Next type is jealous type. Jealous type is something it's common because it's all about suspecting your partner. You think that your partner is unfaithful to you, your intimate person is not behaving properly to you, he is cheating you. So this is a false belief actually. I've seen many people around us having toxic relationship and these kinds of false notions. They always suspect their partners. They will try to check their email, their WhatsApp messages, and they will try to look into their personal affair and always trouble them. They suspect that their partner is unfaithful, infidel to them. You have that Othello syndrome, So over affection leads to possession and possession leads to suspicion. So this is the root cause of jealous type of delusion. In fact, in the reality, that person may not have any problem, but you always suspect him. For example, when you receive a message from your colleague or when you receive something from others, your partner will suspect you, and even every action will be suspected, and your actions are always under the scrutiny of your partner. കൂടെ കിടക്കുന്നവനെ രാപ്പനി അറിയുന്നത് പോലെയാണിത്. This person will be normal to others. He will be mingling with others. He will be socializing. The person who suspects you will always appear normal to others. വളരെ സുമുഖനും വളരെ മാന്യനുമായിട്ടാണ് മറ്റുള്ളവരുടെ മുമ്പിൽ ഇടപെടുക. അദ്ദേഹത്തിന്റെ ഒരു ഡിസീസാണ്. ഇറ്റ്സ് എ കൈൻഡ് ഓഫ് ഡിസീസ് ആക്ച്വലി. ഹി ഷോസ് ഹിസ് സസ്പീഷൻ ടു ഹിസ് പാർട്ട്ണർ, ഇന്റിമേറ്റ് പേഴ്സൺ. മറ്റുള്ളവർ പറഞ്ഞാൽ വിശ്വസിക്കില്ല. എന്താണ് നീ അവളെക്കുറിച്ച് അവനെക്കുറിച്ച് ഇങ്ങനെയൊക്കെ പറയുന്നത്, അവൻ നിന്നെ സംശയിക്കുന്നൊന്നുമില്ല എന്നൊക്കെ പറയുമായിരിക്കും. പക്ഷെ കൂടെ കിടക്കുന്നതിന് മാത്രമേ പ്രശ്നമാണ്. ദിസ് ഇസ് വെരി ഇന്റൻസ്. ഇറ്റ്സ് എ ഡൊമസ്റ്റിക് പ്രോബ്ലം, ഐ തിങ്ക് സോ. People won't explain about it. They can't explain. They always suffer silently. ഇത് അനുഭവിക്കുന്ന ആൾ, സംശയരോഗത്തിന്റെ നേരിലാവുന്ന ആൾക്കാർ ഒരുപാട് പ്രയാസങ്ങൾ അനുഭവിക്കും. This is quite acute. It is called a jealous type. Partners are always under the suspicion. Next type is persecutory. Persecutory means you have the feeling that somebody is trying to attack you. Your neighbor is attacking you, and you always complain against your neighbor, saying that he has poisoned you, has cheated you. നമ്മൾ പറയാറില്ലേ മറ്റുള്ളവർ നമുക്ക് കൈവിഷം തന്നു എന്നൊക്കെ പറയാറുണ്ട്. അതുപോലുള്ള അവസ്ഥയാണ് പെർസിക്യൂട്ടറി. യു ഫീൽ ദാറ്റ് യു ഹാവ് ബീൻ പെർസിക്യൂട്ടഡ്. ഒരു പീഡനത്തിന് വിധേയനായി എന്ന് വിശ്വസിക്കുന്ന ഒരു അവസ്ഥ. മിഥ്യാധാരണയാണ്. ഡിലൂഷൻ ഈസ് ഓൾ അബൌട്ട് ഫോൾസ് ബിലീഫ്. മിഥ്യാധാരണയെ കുറിച്ച് തന്നെയാണ് പറഞ്ഞു വരുന്നത്. Persecution. You believe that you have been persecuted by people. Next type is somatic. Somatic is all about your body. You believe that you have got sickness. You have got, extreme illness. You believe that an insect is crawling in your body, and you have the belief that you have a foul smell, and a certain belief that you are a cancer patient, or some sort of a belief about your body. You believe that you are unwell. It's all about somatic disorder, somatic condition, somatic delusion. You don't have faith in your body. You believe that you have certain problems. Next type is all about mixed type, I would say. It's all about a mixed type. You can see this somatic and above said problems may appear in your life. You may have a grandiose type, you may have a persecutory, jealous type, and erotomanic type may appear interchangeably. It may occur to a person. So my dears, this is an acute mental disorder. Erotomanic, person believes that he or she is in love with, a person, celebrity loves him or her. Second type, grandiose, believes that he has got superpower, has got extraordinary power. He believes that he is supreme. Next type is all about somatic. You believe that you have certain problems in your body. You have a jealous type. Jealous type is, I told you, it's quite serious, and it is very troubling, and it is quite disastrous. How does it happen? According to psychologists, there are several factors behind these delusional disorders. It can be genetic, biological, psychological. My dears, if a person has this problem because of genetic reasons, it will be definitely passed to next generation. It will be hereditary. A person has biological reasons, for example, the excess of neurotransmitters, for example, the increasing amount of hormones like dopamine and serotonin will definitely cause to this delusional disorder. For example, a person who consumes liquor, alcohol, and drugs will have this problem. That's why you might have heard about several atrocities and violence of alcoholic person against their spouses and their partners at home. So, my dears, use of alcohol, drugs, and all kinds of toxic elements may cause to the increase of hormones like dopamine and serotonin in your brain. That will definitely cause to some sort of delusion and hallucinations. Another thing is that psychological. Psychological is all about your stress, your tension, your anxiety, your lack of confidence, lack of belief in your actions. You believe that you are inferior. These kinds of things may cause to delusional disorder. Insecurity may be the reason for delusion. My dears, കാര്യങ്ങളെ അനാവശ്യമായി സംശയിക്കുമ്പോൾ, യുക്തിരഹിതമായി മിഥ്യാധാരണകൾ ഉടലെടുക്കുമ്പോൾ സംശയിക്കേണ്ടിയിരിക്കുന്നു നിങ്ങളിൽ സംശയരോഗം മുളപൊട്ടിയിട്ടുണ്ടെന്ന്. Try to be confident in yourself. If it is psychological, biological, genetic, you should understand and you should be compassionate the person who suffers from this particular acute delusional disorder. Don't try to give up your consideration. Don't try to isolate the person. Try to give proper medication. If you have that problem, try to understand the reality. To understand the reality is the best medicine to fight all diseases. My dears, be confident and try to be compassionate yourself and believe yourself. Thank you very much.